Hi guys, Jamie from Indie Fiber Art. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do color changes in crochet. So I have the mini Adirondack Mountain and I've completed the peak and I've come to the point where I need to start changing colors. So my first stitch of this round is going to be the color that I've been working with. So I'm just going to start my single crochet, but I'm not going to finish it. And I'm going to take my new color and yarn over to just complete that stitch. And then the next stitch will be with my new color. And I like to just pause here and tighten the new color, kind of make a loose knot so it doesn't go anywhere, and tuck it inside. And it's easier to keep your two colors separate. And again, my next stitch is going to be the cream again. So I'm going to finish this stitch with the cream. And you can see it's a really nice change of color. So just the last yarn over is always going to be with the color that the next stitch should be.